Take review on our children. Today we are going to do the first two questions in self-practice 5F from the chapter fraction. Today we are going to compare the value of the fractions with 1. The value of the proper fraction is less than 1. Proper fraction means the numerator should be less than the denominator. 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. The value of the proper fraction is always less than 1. Let us consider 1 by 2. The numerator is less than the denominator. The value of the proper fraction is less than 1. Let us consider one more. 5 by 7. Here the numerator is less than the denominator. So the value of the proper fraction is less than 1. Is it clear? Next one, the value of the improper fraction is greater than or equal to 1. See here, improper fraction means the numerator should be greater than the denominator. 5 by 4. The numerator is greater than the denominator. The value of the improper fraction is greater than 1. See here, 5 by 5. This is also an improper fraction. If the numerator is equal to the denominator, the value of the improper fraction is equal to 1. If the numerator is greater than the denominator means the value is greater than 1. If the numerator is equal to the denominator, the value of the improper fraction is equal to 1. Let us see one more example. 7 by 5. Here the numerator is greater than the denominator. So the value of the improper fraction is greater than 1. 7 by 7. Here the numerator is equal to the denominator. So the value of the improper fraction is equal to 1. Is it clear? The next one, the value of the mixed number is greater than 1. Mixed number means a whole number part and a fraction part. The value of the mixed number is greater than 1. Let us consider one more thing. 3 by 4. This is a mixed number. The value of the mixed number is greater than 1. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? Self-practice 5F. State whether the fraction is less than, equal to or more than 1. The first fraction is 5 by 5. The numerator is equal to the denominator. The value of this improper fraction is equal to 1. 6 by 7. The numerator is less than the denominator. So this is a proper fraction. The value of the proper fraction is less than 1. The next one, 9 by 4. Here the numerator is greater than the denominator. The value of the improper fraction is greater than 1. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? Here we are going to compare the fraction. Insert less than or equal or greater to make each statement true. If the fractions are like fractions, we have to compare the numerator. Here see the denominator 6. So these two fractions are like fractions. So we have to compare the numerator 3 and 5. Which is greater? 5 is greater. So 5 by 6 is greater. Here 21 by 59, 18 by 59. Again the fractions are like fractions. So we have to compare the numerator 21, 18. Which is greater? 21 is greater. So 21 by 59 is greater. Is it clear, children? The next one, 2 by 5, 4 by 9. Here unlike fractions. For unlike fraction, we have to change the fractions into like fractions. After that, we have to compare. To change the fractions into like fractions, we have to find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 5 and 9. Here 5 and 9 are the denominators. So we are going to find the LCM of 5 and 9. Here 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. So the product of 5 and 9 is the LCM. 5 9s are 45. 45 is the LCM of 5 and 9. Now we have to change the fractions with the denominator 45. The first fraction is 2 by 5. When you will get 45 in 5 table, 5 9s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by 9. Now 2 9s are 18 by 45. Now we have to change the second fraction. 4 by 9. In 9 table, when you will get 45, 9 5s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by 5. So we will get 20 by 45. Now we change the fractions to like fractions. Now we have to compare. The first fraction is 18 by 45. Then the second fraction 20 by 45. Now which is greater? We have to compare the numerator. So 20 is greater. So the fraction 4 by 9 is greater. 4 by 9 is greater. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? 4 by 5, 7 by 10. These fractions are unlike fractions. First we have to change the fractions to like fractions. For that we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 5 and 10. 10 is a multiple of 5. So the LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 10. If the greater number is a multiple of the smaller number, means the greater number is the LCM. So we have to change the given fractions to like fractions. 4 by 5. In 5 table, 2 times 10. So we have to multiply the numerator by 2. Then we will get 8 by 10. The second fraction 7 by 10. Here already the denominator is 10. So no need to change the second fraction. Now we are going to compare the like fractions. 8 by 10 and 7 by 10. Which is greater? Now we can compare the numerator. Which is greater? 8 is greater. So 4 by 5 is greater fraction. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? 4 by 7 and 12 by 21. These fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to change the fractions into like fractions. For that we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 7 and 21. See the numbers. 21 is a multiple of 7. So 21 is the LCM. Now we have to change the fraction. 4 by 7. In 7 table, when you will get 21, 3 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by 3. Then we will get 12 by 21. The second fraction 12 by 21. Already the denominator is 21. So no need to change the second fraction. Now the first fraction is 12 by 21. The second fraction also 12 by 21. So these two fractions are equal. So 4 by 7 is equivalent to 12 by 21. These two fractions are equivalent fractions. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. Thank you. See you in the next class.